بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وظللنا عليكم الغمام وأنزلنا عليكم المن والسلوى كلوا من طيبات ما رزقناكم وما ظلمونا ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
And we shaded you with clouds, and sent down to you manna and quails, saying, Eat from the good things with which we have provided you. And they wronged us not, but they were only wronging themselves.